Okay? Where's your eyes? Dodo. Where's your eyes muna? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Where's your hair? Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Very good. Where's your eyes? Yun. Where's your ear? Galing naman ang baby ko. Where's your finger? Ay, ang galing naman yan. Where's your knee? Where's your knee? Where's your knee? Where's your knee? Ang galing. Where's your toe? Toe? Where's your toe? Saan? Ay, hindi abot. Ayun pala ang toe niya. Where's your cheek? Cheek. Ay, galing naman cheek. Where's your tummy? Tummy. Very good naman ang baby ko. Where's your shoulder? Shoulder. Ang galing naman. Buntot mo. Nasaan yung buntot mo? Buntot. Awak mo buntot mo. Awak. Ay, ang galing. Buntot. Tingnan nga ni Mami buntot mo. Tingnan ni Mami. Ay, yun ang buntot ng baby ko. Yun pala. Where's your teeth? Teeth.
Siyang nagtimawa sa atin.
Galing naman. Where's your tongue? Tongue. Where's your tongue?
Hindi ko